to make this amazing F-15. So let's see how to make it. So let's start. So we will fold this edge to this edge. Then now we will fold this to here like a triangle. Now we will do that on the other side. And now we will make like this. Your plane should look like this. Now we will take this to here. And then we will take it back. Now we will unfold it. Now we will fold this to here. And I will do it on the same on the other side. And now we will unfold it. And make sure that your plane's line also comes here. Like this. Now we will, this step is a little bit tricky. So now I will pull this. So you can see here is a pocket here. So now we will take this now like this down and press it. And I will do it on the same on the other side. And your plane should look like this. So the next step is that we will take this a bit up like this. And I will do it same on the other side. And now I will remove this one. So now we will unfold this and take this to here and then fold it on this side. And I will take the same of this side and do it on this. Now you can see your plane should look like this. Then you will take this down . And I will do it same on the other side. And your plane should look like this. So now we will take this over here like this. And I will do it same on the other side. So now I will take this one to the center crease. Now we will take this here. And now I will fold this back. So when you do this edge, center crease, then you must remove these and then make a center crease over here and then fold them. And I have done that both on the both side. And a plane should look like this. Then I will make a fold like this. But this plane if we have to lock, we have to take this, and you see here is some pocket type. So now we will take it back, and you can see the plane is locked. So the next step is that we have to cut diagonally like this. So I will show you. So now I will cut this diagonally. Just take some, keep some distance between these. And now I will make a triangle and get rid of these triangles. So now I am gonna take this back and take this back on the other side. And you have to do this on both sides, you can see. So now I'm going to take this back like this and make sure that there isn't a cut. You should not make a cut over there. And I will do it on the other side to match. And then open these wings. So by this way, our amazing F-15 jet is ready. So come with me to fly it. So come on, let's fly it. Let's see how far it goes. So come on with me to fly it. How was the flight? If you like my today's video, like, share and subscribe. And I will see you with some brainy ideas in the next video.